Jamie Oliver, aka Mr. Chili Jam, is back, and this time he making ramen.
We are gonna make the mighty ramen.
Uncle Roger has bad feeling about this. The two biggest thing Asian people fear right now is COVID hate crime and Jamie Oliver making Asian food. Will he make our ancestor cry again? Let's see. Niece and nephew, speaking of COVID hate crime, nephew Nigel got punched in face a few months ago, but he found way to make his hate crime story super funny on his podcast. Go check it out, link in description. It is Uncle Roger's favorite podcast of all time. Uncle Roger, I reviewed Jamie Oliver 2 times now, still haven't heard back from him. I think Jamie Oliver don't like me. Hiya, it's just comedy video, Jamie. You can roast Uncle Roger back if you want. Come, leave comment to roast me. Uncle Roger pin it and heart it for you. Even Uncle Gordon left comment on my video. It's your turn now. Let's see how Jamie do on ramen. Is it gonna be hiya or is it gonna be yeah?
Yeah! We are gonna make the mighty ramen. It's one of Japan's most treasured dishes, slow cooked and packed with flavor. We're talking about the most beautiful.
Check shirt again. I think because Jamie restaurant all closed down and now he have so many extra tablecloth he can wear as shirt. Jamie never cook anywhere normal. Last time he cooked in shed. Now he cook outside trailer. Hiya. Is he going through the walls or something? Did your wife take your house? With every video, his location get worse and worse. I think next video, Jamie gonna be cooking in prison.
And it all starts here with some humble buns. The broth. In a pan, fry off a handful of pork bones, 8 chicken wings.
Okay, pork bone, correct.
Pieces of ginger and 5 cloves.
Chicken wing, okay also.
Drizzle of sesame oil.
A bit weird that he adding aromatic in the beginning. Usually when you start making broth, you just use bone to start.
You can have any meat in your finished broth. I've chosen to go with pork belly.
Ooh, pork belly. Pork belly, good. In Japanese, it's called char siu. Good topping. So Jamie gonna make ramen with char siu topping. Not bad.
Think about garnishes. Remember, ramen is the ultimate broth with the ultimate pimpage and garnishes, right? So,
correct.
Some crunchy bits of bashed up cracklings, and we love cracklings.
Pork crackling, not common. But he writes topping, all subjective.
Get roasted at the same time as these bones. Pop in the oven for 45 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius.
Usually when you make broth, you don't need to roast the meat first. Why the extra step? Hiya, too much time on your hand, is it?
And just let it do its thing. Hot pan coming through.
Wait, so inside his truck there is fire. Jamie, that not safe? Your trailer made of wood. This is fire hazard. Jamie, please don't die. Because if you die, Uncle Roger need to find new person to be my mortal enemy. Hiya. Please don't die. Hashtag keep Jamie alive.